From Forex Traders Daily, this is your daily analysis with Ross Mullins, live from Richmond, Virginia.
Hello everyone, this is today's video analysis for February 23rd, 2017. Today we're going to be taking a look at the EURUSD, the euro, versus US dollar for today's trade analysis. We're going to start here on the daily time frame. A couple of different trends that we want to observe here on the chart. First off would be the rising black trend line. We started all the way back here at the beginning of the year, started at the low point down into the mid 1.0300s and began to rise throughout the month of January all the way back up here to the 100 period simple moving average. Found some resistance there at the beginning of February and we started moving back down along the red trend line. Currently, we're under the red trend line, and as long as it's underneath there, there's the potential for the continuation of the current leg of the trend, the current downtrend that we're seeing right here. Of course, back above that red trend line and breaking new resistance levels, we could see the market turn back to an uptrend, but definitely an area that we want to make mention of is, or indicator we want to make mention of is that red trend line as the current direction the market has been going in. Overall, sure, there have been days where the market has gone up. Just about a week ago, we saw a significant rally higher, but then the market turned back around. The euro got a good solid, euro dollar got a good solid boost to go back lower and moved all the way back down to the 1.0500s over the past couple of days. Now, yesterday, today, we see the US dollar pulling back a little bit, sending it back from the yellow zone 1.0525 and starting to move a little bit higher into the mid to upper 1.0500s. As it approaches resistance, the purple shaded area that you see on the chart, it becomes a potential opportunity to trade the direction of the trend, much like the green shaded area would have been up here at the top of this blue box. Let's go ahead and zoom it in one time, and you can see historically, of course, the yellow shaded area, we talked about it yesterday as support. We looked for it to break through there yesterday. It actually did on the 4-hour time frame, but some information coming across from French election news and of course caused the market to slow down that fall that it was in and actually turn back higher a little bit. That's not too out of the question. We've seen that before where it found support at the yellow zone and rallied back to the purple zone. You look at the purple shaded area in history and you can see some resistance and support back in there into that purple shaded area. By the way, bottom of the yellow zone, 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level of the black trend line. So we're looking for the breakdown of that yellow zone, the 618 fib, for the continuation down to the orange zone. Just never really came to fruition yesterday after that French election news. So now what we're looking for, if we're going to still trade the direction of the downtrend, we're looking for the rally to resistance. The purple shaded area happens to be the 50% of that same previous uptrend. Let's take Fibonacci from the high of the red trend line down to our current low. And as we pull that out from the high down to the low, we see the 0.236 sitting at 1.0572, which is just underneath our purple zone. The 382 is just above it, and this 50% is sitting up here at 1.0660 into the green shaded area. 618 is all the way up at the blue zone, by the way, near where the 100 period moving average lives. So what we're looking for, if we're going to go short, we always want to go short into resistance. I would say as close as possible to the 580, 585 level, which is the bottom of the purple zone, will provide lower risk for those shorts in the direction of the trend. If you're looking to go long, of course, the best place to do that would be back down here at the yellow shaded area on top of the 1.0555 or 50 level. The other reason we would look to go long is a breakout back above the purple zone. So for the day today, the purple and the yellow zone will be your major areas of decision. Either if you're going to go short, you're looking at the purple zone as a resistance, a break under the yellow zone to continue the fall back down to the orange zone. If you're looking to go long, the major area of decision is a dip to the yellow zone and a break above the purple zone to continue to go higher. I'm going to follow the direction of the current trend, the downtrend that we're in. Of course, we do have a little bit of U.S. news coming up in just a little bit from the recording of this video, unemployment claims, so we'll want to watch out for that and see how that comes out, either positive or negative. But we definitely want to watch for an opportunity, but somewhere between the purple and the yellow shaded area. Let's take it on down to the 4-hour time frame. So again, like I said, if we're going to follow the direction of the overall trend that we've been in basically since the beginning of February, we're looking for resistance here into the purple shaded area. Again, buying into the yellow zone would be your best opportunity, but we've already seen it pull off of there already, back from the 50s into the 70s already. So we're still looking at the purple zone as a potential resistance here for this currency pair. I'm looking somewhere right around the 105.85 to 95 level as a potential opportunity. Let's take one more fib. Let's take it here on the 4-hour from the last high to the current support low, and we find the 50% of that range is sitting right here at the bottom of the purple shaded area. 618 sitting at the top. 1.0608 is the 618 of that shorter range, sitting at the top of the purple zone. So both of those fibs, 50%, 618, giving us some clue again that the purple zone, the red trend line, may be an area that we look for an opportunity to go short in the direction of the trend, keeping an eye on potential reversal clues over the next several days for the euro dollar.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.